How to give someone admin on Discord Mobile. I'm going to show you how you can easily give someone admin on Discord Mobile. First, open the Discord app on your device. Next, navigate to the server where you want to transfer ownership. Tap on the server name at the top to open a drop-down menu. From the menu, select Server Settings. Once in the settings, tap on the Members tab to view the list of members. Find the member you want to transfer ownership to and tap 3 dots next to their name to open another menu. Then select Roles from this menu. In the Roles section, enable the Administrator toggle for the member. This will grant them admin rights, allowing them to manage server settings and members. Finally, review the changes to ensure that the selected member now has admin privileges. They will now have enhanced capabilities with the server.